Have one more minute. Teams, your time is over. Now, I want one person from each team to come here and just read what are the ideas you have generated. Okay? One person, quickly come. Yes, yes, please. I'll just give you the mic. Teams, yes. Yes, Mr. Naushad, you can take it. Others, please pay attention. Just listen to them. Okay? Some of the ideas will be your ideas. Don't worry about it and don't tell, young idea was shooting la. Right? There's nothing wrong about it. Publicity, please. Okay, fine. He wants to introduce his idea generators, the team of idea generators. Yes, sir, you can create that publicity. Go ahead.
Yeah. Good evening once again. As sir said, if you imagine it's evening 5 o'clock, it's evening. So according to that, I would like to tell that it's evening 5 o'clock. So good evening, everyone.
That's good.
Here we have a teammates with the name Akash, Nitesh, Kapil, Jefferson, Bindu, and Satish, and myself, Naushad here. Is a topic which attract the corporate people to come for the placements for the college. We have generated some of the ideas from our knowledge. First thing is like the programs, like how it has been conducted now, the MMA program, which is very useful. It is conducted once in a year. Hope if it is conducted once in twice or thrice in a year, it will be much useful. Next we have an internship like programs. Like if you go for the companies on corporate, like if you go it will be helpful for the companies.
Just pay attention, yeah.
Like honoring the official peoples from the companies to the colleges for the various programs, where it can generate an idea to the corporate people to recruit the students from the universities. Next, the project works of a company. Like if you take up a company and if you do a project work, it may they may get an idea they are doing very well, so it might be helpful for the company too. And advertisement about the company, like the students, if you go and advertise about a particular company, they will have an what do you call that? They will have a very good good idea about it's similar to that. And joining in various clubs, it's a very important thing. It's not only about if you are a finance student, you have to go in only that field. You can join an HR group where you will get a different knowledge through which you can be placed in a company. So it might be a very good quality for the student to get placed where the corporates will like. And next you have a social work. It's a very important thing. Like once if you are getting into a social work,
just pay attention.
Social work, if you are helpful for the society, once after getting into a company, the company too will do the same thing. But if you are very well in that, the company might not invest much in training for the people to work for the society. Next you have industrial visits. Anyhow, if you are studying in the second year, we most probably will be having industrial visits. So it will have a connection with the corporate people, where through they will have a lot of connections. So they can call the people for the placements. And market surveys about the companies. Like once if you have a market survey about each and every we won't have a time or the permission to get all this information about each and every company. As much as our knowledge and our limit, we can have a survey about the company through which we can have a information, and we can call the companies for the placements, and journals, the college journals. Like if you have a very good performance from each and everything, it might be much helpful for the companies to select the students very easier. Like you can find out performance, their performance. Thanks. Abroad programming, it's a collaborations. That too will help for.
Okay.
Yeah,
now other teams, if you have set some point and you feel you have that point, just filter it and just give the other points. Okay.
Thanks.
We need to do some filtering. Ideas needs to be filtered. Very good, sir. Thank you. Good job.
Hi, this is Santosh. My teammates have contributed a good amount of ideas. I'll just summarize few of them. Conducting domain-specific events so that we can attract the domain experts so that they can come and recruit the people who are performing well in the industry. And invitation to the history of the companies who have already come and placed so that we can bring in more satisfied companies through consultancy and through news advertisements and through communities and groups, as my friend was mentioning here. And students can generate new ideas and research papers so that gets published in the magazines and so that companies are attracted towards getting them. And CSR initiatives can be taken up so that companies can find out good volunteers out there. Through that, they can recruit those people. And contest can conduct a national level contest and the winners can be given awards such that a placement in a company. And internships and corporate meetups can be conducted so that once again if the company is interested in the college, they can go about. And alumni linkages, if they're going to tap all the alumni, definitely they can bring about a good number of placements. And brochures, they can release, as my friend was telling, magazines and browsers would be able to condense whatever is happening in the within the college. And meet the companies personally and invite the HRs. It's a very obvious thing. And finally, a power point is we might conduct an entrepreneurship class so that everyone evolves here as an entrepreneur and they themselves recruit their friends so that there may be even 10 companies evolving from the same college, which once again comes for recruitment. Why should we call some other company when there is a lot of companies within the college? So entrepreneurship is the key, and that's all.
Thank you.
Hello friends. First, create a brand image about your college to the corporate, and this will help them to come to the campus for recruitment. And the second thing is making into Facebook, that being a friend with the HR in Facebook, that it is a difficult thing only, but through this it can be possible. And if the outgoing students are well performing in the company, people will think that, oh, SRM students are performing very well, so we can go to the campus for placements. People will come through that. And alumni linking with the alumni is possible. And then with the summer internship, people are having many tie-up with the HR who are already working there. So through this it is possible. These are my additional points.
Okay, good.
Hello friends, I am Shilki from MBA second year, and my friends who contributed, we contributed 21 points. My friends are Sampa, Divesh and Amit. What we contributed is first is contact with HR, that we have some contact with HR so we can get easy contact with them, so companies can come. Second is visiting the companies, like what second year are doing in SRM, they are going personally to visit the companies, some companies, and they are going to call them, a formal invitation they are going to take. Third is email, what second year are doing, they are sending emails to HR personally. If they will accept, they will surely come to our college. Third is sending student profile. We are sending student profiles to the companies so they can shortlist there itself.
Let me quickly put a seed in you. There was a person called Dixon who was working as a buyer. Rather, we can call him as a cotton buyer for a company called Johnson & Johnson. His wife used to cut vegetables. In the process, she was also frequently cutting her finger. She didn't know the difference. Probably she didn't know the difference between a finger chip and a finger, I think so. And what he used to do is, he used to take one white plaster, put some medicine, put a cotton, wrap it up. After 2 days, she will just throw the band-aid out. It is not a band-aid, it is just a wound with the plaster, right? She just throws it out. One fine day, Dixon saw this He took it to his office and he said, why don't we come up with a ready-made band-aid with the medicine inside so that people can easily use it instead of cutting a white thing, take a cotton, put a medicine. It's a cumbersome process. His boss said the idea looks wow. And they launched the product. Dixon, who was actually a buyer, he was just a cotton buyer for a company, was promoted as a VP of Johnson & Johnson in 1920s. What can one man idea do? A man with a single idea can become somebody in life. You youngsters never hesitate to give ideas wherever you go, because we had Murli who spoke about we are already a champion, because you know that the one which mixed up with the mother's egg was you and me, and you know what is that product. Okay, there is some similarity between a sperm and an idea. Millions of sperm gets released, one mixes up and that becomes a baby. Like that, millions of ideas gets converted into a business. Okay, every business gets converted into income. Every income gets converted into investment. Every investment is getting converted into wealth. So idea is equal to wealth. You might not have money. You might not have great qualification, but never stop thinking. Your brain is capable of generating millions of ideas. Okay, we have just put the seed for thinking. Keep thinking. Keep enjoying more ideas in life. We are there to help you to generate even more ideas you want. Okay, thanks for standing here for some time.
Hemal Narendra Kumar.